Hello friends, today is 25 January. Let's start today's current affairs session. Question number 1. Who will be one day CM of Uttarakhand? Answer to this question is Srishti Goswami. Question number 2. Which state lays the foundation of NBT? Means Netaji Bus Terminal. Answer to this question is Odisha. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The state is formed on 1 April 1936. Governor of Odisha is Ganeshi Lal and Mukhyamantri of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik. Question number 3. To which field Larry King belongs? Answer to this question is US TV and radio host. Question number 4. Which state has decided to start jail tourism? Answer to this question is Maharashtra. Let's know more about Maharashtra. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. The state is formed on 1 May 1960. Governor of Maharashtra is Bhagat Singh Koshari. CM of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. Question number 5. When and where will 13th edition of Aero India show will begin? Answer to this question is 3 to Feb this year and in Bangalore. Question number 6. Which state is India's largest producer of small cardamom in India? Answer to this question is Kerala. Let's know more about Kerala. Capital of Kerala is Trivandrum. The state is formed on 1 November 1956. Governor of Kerala is Arif Mohammad Khan and CM of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan. Question number 7. In Uttarakhand, where will be first child friend police station will be set up? Answer to this question is Dhalanwala. And in Uttarakhand, we know there is Fulo Ki Ghati and in Kerala there is Shantakanti. Question number 8. Who will be second gentleman of US? Actually, the vice president of America is Kamala Harris. She is first woman to become vice president of US. So second gentleman of US is husband of Kamala Harris, that is Douglas Emhoff. Question number 9. Which day is celebrated on 24 Jan? Answer to this question is National Girl Child Day and International Education Day, which is celebrated by UNESCO. Question number 10. What is the name of author of book Manohar Parkar of the Record? Answer to this question is Vaman Subba Prabhu. Question number 11. Where the India's largest road arc bridge inaugurated? Answer to this question is Meghalaya. Meghalaya capital is Shillong. The state is formed on 21 January 1972. Governor of Meghalaya is Satyapal Malik and CM of Meghalaya is Conrad Sangma. Question number 12. Who has been chosen as Business Standard of the Year 2019 to 2020? Answer to this question is Shyam Srivastav. He is CEO and head of Federal Bank. Question number 23. Which state has launched Dhara software? Answer to this question is UP. UP capital is Lucknow. The state is formed on 24 January 1950 and governor of UP is Anandiben Patel and CM of UP is Yogi Adityanath. Question number 14. Who wins Michael and Sheila Held Award? Answer to this question is Nikhil Srivastav. Question number 15. In which state Samruddhi Tosali National Craft Fair is started? Answer to this question is Odisha. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The state is formed on 1 April 1936. Governor of Odisha is Ganeshi Lal and CM of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik. This is the end of today's session. Let's discuss last video question. Which 2 days are celebrated on 25 Jan? On 25 Jan we celebrate National Voters Day and also on 25 Jan our state Himachal Pradesh is founded. Today is your own question. You have to answer in comment box. What is capital of Saudi Arab? You have to answer in comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.